Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Yahoo Mail in your Android device. So first, you have to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. And in the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and enter it. And you have to look for the official Yahoo Mail app in the search results. And here you could see, you have to tap the Yahoo Mail app on the icon to open its page. And on the app page, you will see an install button. Tap on it. And the app will begin to download and install on your device. And once the installation is complete, you can open the app and you can sign in with your Yahoo account credentials or create a new account if you do not have one. So you have to just simply follow the on-screen instructions to set up your preferences and access your Yahoo Mail inbox. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.